Hey guys, this is my new Samsung Galaxy Note 2. I've got this today. I already unboxed it, and this is how it looks. It's quite big, 5.5 inches screen. It looks gorgeous. Bit uncomfortable in pockets though, but it's okay. It slips well into my Adidas shorts. I want to show you this S Pen feature. This is a new Note 2 feature. And this S Pen is like like it's not round and it's very easy to handle. Let's go ahead and see this video. You can actually hover over this video and see what's happening. You can tap there and actually go there. You can also make this video run in the background while you are doing different things. You can move the video. Alright, here is a comparison of size. This is my iPad 2 and this is the phone I'm currently using. It's Samsung Captivate. Alright, I've got this. Let's keep all this aside. The box, the regular guarantee card, charger, USB cable, earphones. These are quite nice actually. The quality is good. I think these are in-ear headphones. And it's got volume control and mute switch, I think. Extra earbuds, manual, just the stuff. Also got this free gift. This is the dock. This is what 1,500, I guess. I don't know what exactly the functions are. There's a 3.5mm audio jack and a micro USB port. Wobbles a little. It's a solid quality though. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching and leave comments if you like my phone.